located in Palawan, Philippines, is a tropical paradise known for its crystal-clear waters, dramatic limestone cliffs, and rich marine biodiversity. It's a haven for divers and nature lovers, offering a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. In 2024, Coron earned the prestigious Blue Park Award for its Siete Pecados Marine Park, a recognition for its exceptional marine conservation efforts. Twin Lagoon in Coron, Palawan is a stunning natural wonder, known for its two distinct lagoons separated by towering limestone cliffs. Visitors can access the lagoons by swimming through a narrow passage or climbing a staircase, depending on the tide. The lagoons are perfect for swimming, kayaking, and snorkeling, offering a serene and picturesque atmosphere. While it hasn't received specific awards, it's part of the Calamian Islands, known for their exceptional natural beauty. Twin Lagoon remains a must-visit for those seeking both adventure and tranquility amidst dramatic landscapes. Mount Tapyas in Coron, Palawan, offers stunning panoramic views of the town and surrounding islands. Standing 210 meters above sea level, it features a 721-step staircase leading to a summit with a white cross and 360-degree views. The hike is accessible with rest stops along the way, making it suitable for most visitors. Sunrise and sunset are the best times to visit for breathtaking scenery. While it hasn't received specific awards, Mount Tapyas is consistently ranked among Coron's top attractions for its stunning vistas and cultural significance. El Nido, Palawan, is a tropical paradise known for its dramatic limestone cliffs, crystal-clear lagoons, and vibrant coral reefs. It's a haven for island hopping, snorkeling, and breathtaking views, making it one of the Philippines' most sought-after destinations. Vanilla Beach, also known as Marimegmeg Beach, is a serene 4-kilometer stretch of golden sand and turquoise waters, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling town. It's renowned for its unspoiled beauty, making it a favorite among travelers seeking relaxation and natural splendor. The beach is also a prime spot for witnessing breathtaking sunsets. Its peaceful atmosphere and picturesque setting have earned it recognition as one of the world's top beaches by travel enthusiasts. Las Cabanas Beach in El Nido offers the perfect mix of excitement and serenity. Spend your day snorkeling, paddleboarding, or riding a jet ski in its calm, crystal-clear waters. For a thrill, take the zipline ride to nearby Depelted Island, gliding high above the ocean. As evening falls, relax on the beach with a cold drink and watch the sky come alive with a breathtaking Palawan sunset. Nacpan Beach in El Nido, Palawan, is a serene 4-kilometer stretch of golden sand and turquoise waters, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling town. It's renowned for its unspoiled beauty, making it a favorite among travelers seeking relaxation and natural splendor. Visitors can enjoy swimming, kayaking, paddleboarding, and savoring local cuisine at beachfront eateries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new adventure. Follow me on all my social media platforms for more travel tips and epic moments. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next one.